tells.
technique is come from Iran. Our great grandfather actually is flying for the kite, and the Jaipur Maharaja he also for the flying kite. So nobody can cut kite for the Maharaja. So he cut the kite and run away. He's thinking the Maharaja catch him to send the soldiers.
Okay.
Who will cut my kite? So he's sending the soldiers and ask how you cut my kite. And he will send him to Iran. There is a place for Kirman. So he went to there and learned this technique and started Jaipur here. But now this art is dying because the new generation actually they don't want to join this art. But which is the typical Jaipur? Typical Jaipur is this Jaipur.
Okay.
Jaipur color is this color.
Okay.
This is the Jaipur. The dark blue that is not Jaipur.
No, that's not Jaipur.
Iranian color.
Okay. Right.
It's Iranian blue.
Okay. Okay.
But
Okay.
now we are making
Persian blue it is also called.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we are making for both Iranian and Jaipur blue.
Okay.
But 90% people they don't know about this blue pottery. Only 10% Indian people they know which is the Jaipur blue. So this is the Jaipur blue.
Okay.
Jaipur blue is this color.
Okay. Okay. Right. Right.
But now this art is going to die. So just we carry this art.
Okay.
Because the new generation they don't want.
What are the innovations you have brought in last 50 years? Like
50 year actually, the government also search about this pottery will not take any benefit because actual this is not a ceramic, so no more elasticity.
okay.
This is just like mixture for the item, quartz, glass, gum, rock salt. So one piece 160 times by hand
Okay.
for the complete position. Final position.
Right.
And then also not sure this piece will be success. Or
Okay.
luck is good, then fine, otherwise the case.
Oh.
This is the main thing.
Okay.
So maybe before time, maybe 28 families like, but now only 5 families.
Right. Right.
Plus, I am also worried about this. We carry this on because
Okay.
people like it this one.
Hmm.
Because actual this color is turquoise color
Hmm.
is more soft color, not a hard color this is.
It was like Buddhism also. If you see blue Buddha,
Yeah.
so it is a symbol of peace. And I was actually reading a very interesting article on Iran and India's contact. So
You are
what I
absolutely right.
found that India had tradition with Iran
Yeah.
even before Muslims,
Yeah.
much before Muslims. So the idea would have probably gone from India, the blue idea of blue, and that was actually evolved in Silk Road in Iran,
Yeah.
and then again it came with Muslims to India.
Correct.
So
Iran
it's a
to
symbol of
Iran-
peace,
yeah.
and it's
Iran
a
to
symbol of
Afghanistan.
prosperity.
Yeah. Iran to Afghanistan, then Pakistan, then
Yes.
Multan.
Yeah,
then
Multan,
Pakistan.
and then India.
India.
So you have like Delhi में तो Humayun Tomb में you have blue, and then you have the best is Chinika Maqbara in Agra, where you have beautiful pictures, and you have in Hyderabad Asur Khana, that was in Qutub Shahi period. There you have also this art form. So
You can see also there is
yes,
some tiles for
yeah. I will show you now. So some of these things, and then you have in Bidar, that is in Karnataka, northern part of Karnataka, very close to Hyderabad. There you have the best of blue ceramics.
And also when I been to before.
Of course, Multan is the best in South Asia.
But 12 years before I went to Goa and I will see some church, some tiles for the pottery.
Okay.
So maybe I'm thinking when I look similar, same these tiles. Maybe I'm thinking some people take for their mud and
Right.
start here for this mud for the tiles.
Okay.
Maybe I'm thinking. So same tiles are there.
Right. It is
Yeah.
possible.
This is same like this color theme,
Okay.
but mud is there.
Right.
That mud is more elasticity, I think.
So how it is different from porcelain, Chinese porcelain?
Actually, porcelain and ceramic, they are more elasticity. So
Okay.
whatever you like, you can make it. You can make little bit longer the shape possible.
Okay.
But in this is stone base.
Okay.
So not possible to make longer.
Okay. There's no flexibility. It doesn't have flexibility.
Little bit make longer for the mouth.
Right.
Come back again.
Oh, okay.
That's the main thing.
Right.
But government also now have.
Mhm.
Government have maybe my son, he wants to carry this art to help to maybe he will carry more. He
Yes.
wants to train some other.
Now you have to also use technology, you have to use social media, you have to use various kinds of things, for promotion. So people have now started looking for Indian heritage. Not that it's not happening, but now we are in the best
But
time.
this pottery all over the world
Yes.
is special made in Jaipur.
Yes.
This
It's called Jaipur Blue Pottery.
Jaipur pottery.
Okay.
This is not a ceramic.
Right.
This is totally hand painted
Okay.
and brushwork. This is.
Right. Okay. ठीक है. Thank you so.
Ninth generation in this business.
हाँ.
So how this art is basically from Iran. It's
हाँ.
a place called Kirman.
हाँ.
This is a Persian art.
Okay.
So, there is a story.
Hmm.
My great grandfather was flying in a kite festival.
Okay.
So he suddenly cut the king's kite.
हाँ.
So king was like very amazed
Ah.
that how you cut my kite. So
Ah.
he sent the soldiers that who cut my kite.
Okay.
So my great grandfather
What was his name?
Ran away into jungle.
What was his name? Great grandfather's name?
So it is from Doraya's family.
Okay. What was his name?
Doraya's family.
Okay. Right.
So after he ran away to jungle, so soldiers after 2 months, the
Ah.
soldiers catch him.
Okay.
So he was very afraid that king will give me the punishment.
Ah.
So suddenly king asked that how you cut my kite.
हाँ.
Then he said that I have coated that thread into glaze.
Okay.
So he appreciated his art and he sent him to Iran to learn this art.
Okay.
So this art came here. How this art came here.
Okay.
So in this we use some raw material. We
Okay.
use like quartz,
हाँ.
other glasses, green glass, local glass, gum arabic. This all by the hand grinding from
Okay.
this wheel. We make
Okay.
like this.
Okay.
Second procedure is pounding.
Okay.
This powder we mix water.
Okay.
That water we make chapati and that chapati we put in this mold. This is
Okay.
the POP mold.
Okay.
We put this chapati and we fill with the ash for getting a perfect shape.
Okay.
Like this.
Right.
And we do sun dry for 2 days.
Okay.
After doing sun dry, we do finishing by the sandpaper.
Right.
And we fill the color and we do freehand designs.
Okay.
After this we fill up the colors.
Right.
And after filling up the colors we do glaze.
Okay.
Glaze actually is the secret of our family. When I'm 60 years I will tell you.
Okay. No problem. Yes.
So after the glaze we put in this furnace around 800 to 1200 degrees Celsius regular fire.
Okay.
So the brown color, you have seen the brown color?
हाँ.
After heating it will change into blue.
Okay.
So that's why we call it Jaipur Blue Coffee. It was
Okay.
innovated in Jaipur.
Okay.
So that's why we call it Jaipur Blue Coffee.
Okay.
So in 9th generation my father got the best award for Government of India.
Okay.
And his names come in the under Indian History textbook also.
Okay.
So you can zoom it here.
हाँ.
He is the famous artist of blue pottery.
Okay.
The blue pottery present kalakar
Right.
Anil Doraya.
Okay. Right. Okay. So these are the things, huh?
These are the things.
Okay. Okay.
So,
And then fire mein it is made in Sangamer,
Sangani.
Sanganer, which is 20 kilometers from here. Okay. What time from what time?
Like in rainy season we generally do, we don't do because in rainy season
Okay.
there is no dryness.
Okay. Okay.
So in rainy season we stop.
Okay.
doing this work.
Right.
Like in winters we start doing this.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Thank you, huh?